Super glue, duct tape, and glue guns either fail or can't do the job. Bondic does things glue cannot. Get it done right the first time with Bondic. Bondic uses a patented liquid plastic to bond virtually anything together in seconds. Fix broken items. Fill in dents and cracks. Seal, insulate, and create. Use Bondic on nearly any surface or material. 50 times stronger than glue. Waterproof and heat resistant. Kiss sticky fingers goodbye. Bondic won't dry or harden until you've exposed it to a special UV light, giving you more control and less mess. Plus, Bondic is 100% safe and non-toxic. Unlike glue, Bondic can also be sanded, polished, or painted for a professional finish. Whether it's a big fix, little nicks, or a detailed hobby that can withstand up to 350 pounds of weight, Bondic has you covered. Every Bondic comes with a UV hardening light and liquid refill tube capable of dozens of fixes. Bondic has helped over 1 million happy customers.
It'll work on any of these materials: wood, the plastic of the sunglasses, glass, metal. It'll work on anything. If you need an all-in-one fix, I highly recommend Bondic.
Stuff breaks. Fix virtually anything. With Bondic, order your Bondic today.
So I'm here on holidays. I don't have expensive sunglasses because I keep breaking them when I'm kiteboarding, but two things are happening. The lens keeps coming out, you see that? It's just held in with like tension. And then this nose piece comes out, and I don't have a screwdriver, so I'm kind of stuck. So I have to put this piece in here. And I can't carry tools all the time, but the one thing I can carry is my Bondic. So let's take off that cap, and I'm gonna put a little bit of Bondic on the bar here. You won't even see it, and connect it, just so it holds it in. If the light can't get to the Bondic, it's not gonna get in. And the second thing that's making me crazy is that this lens comes out. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Bondic right here. It won't affect my vision or anything. And cure it. Turn on the LED, it'll be easier. Put that right in there. So just for 4 seconds. Now it'll hold this lens in. A little bit here again, just right in the corner. And there. And at least I won't lose the lenses. And like I said, if I would have had a screwdriver, which I don't, I wouldn't be able to fix this if I didn't have the Bondic. There we go. So you won't see anything from the front at all. And we're back in business. Put this back together. And don't do it in the sun, obviously, right? Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here's for the reveal. Ready? There you go.